The left joystick controls the vehicle's movement left and right. The right joystick controls the stabilizer horizontal pitch axis. Rotating the left joystick controls the roll of the stabilizer. Stabilizer return to center. Camera recording. Aperture control. Focus control. The right joystick rotates to control the vehicle's movement. Speed adjustment. Stabilizer 3-axis speed adjustment. Remote control tips move the vehicle to one end. Set the first limit point. Move the car to the end of the other end. Set the fourth limit point. Set the 2 limit points to avoid collisions. Check if the limit points are set successfully. The light of the remote control turns on to represent success.